Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you once again another animation for your text and headlines. In this video we're going to talk about blinking text. Now imagine this text over here. It keeps on blinking and attracting attention of your visitors, right? How amazing will that be? So let's go ahead and do that. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a raw HTML element right below the headline that I want to animate. So go ahead and scroll down, click on raw HTML, drag and drop it here right below, and then you're going to go ahead and click on it, click on edit code, and now we're going to go ahead and grab the code and paste it here. Right, so I have this document here that I use for my animation code snippets, and there are over 30 animations, and I keep on updating this document with new animations. So I'm going to take this code and I'm going to paste it here. The code helps your system know exactly what kind of animation that needs to be added to the element, okay? So in this case, we are telling System.io that the animation is blink text, which is going to last 1 second, and it's going to be infinite, meaning that it will continuously blink, right? So now that you have pasted the code, all right, now we need to go grab the ID of the element that will have this animation, right? So we go back to our editor and you are going to grab the ID of this element. And if you scroll down at the very bottom, you're going to see this ID attribute. This is your ID. So you're going to copy this and then go back to your HTML code. And over here where it says text 12345, that's where you need to add your ID, right? So remove this text ID, leave the hashtag, and paste your headline or your element ID that you want to add this animation into, and then just go ahead and click save. Once you do that, your headline or text will start blinking. If it doesn't start blinking right away in the editor, that means something is wrong with the code. And always double check that you have added the right element ID in the code. Okay, so let's just go ahead and save it, and let me preview it so you can see it better. And there you go. It's blinking, it's looking nice, it's actually giving a different feel and look to the funnel.